A cup of coffee, a sandwich, and you. Waiter!
Just a moment, sir.
Oh. Waiter!
Just a second.
Oh, every time I come here. Waiter! Oh, sorry.
Please do not do that.
I'm ready to order now.
Oh, very good, sir. I am your waiter, Grover.
Yeah.
I lost my name tag. Have you perused our menu?
Yes, I have.
Very good. Well, before you order, it is my duty as a waiter and a gentle monster to tell you that we do not have all the things on the menu. We have been very, very busy, and we only have some of the things on the menu left.
Oh.
Some of the things.
Not all of the things.
Not all, some.
Some. Oh, well, thanks for telling me.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Do you have the turkey?
The turkey. No, I am sorry, sir.